I'm sorry, I had to eat the cookie dough already. 1 cup coming up. Okay, we are ready to start our chocolate chip cookies. The first step is 1 cup of room temperature butter.
Okay, so after that you pour 1/2 cup granulated sugar, like so.
Boom. All right, so next we're gonna add 1 cup packed brown sugar.
Dang it, dropped a little bit in the floor. It's fine, it's fine.
3 cups.
So now we're going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda into our flour mixture, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna add 2 eggs to the sugar and butter mixture, as well as 1 tablespoon of the vanilla.
Now we're gonna add our dry mixture to the dough and mix that in.
Stir it up, stir it up.
Look at that.
Okay, so next we're gonna add 1 cup of chocolate chips into our dough.
Scrumptious. These are what they look like.
All right, all you cool cats and kittens, so we are gonna do the oven at 325.
325. Right.
They are ready.